Okay, I'm going to see if I can just concentrate on this one corner this morning. See if I can get this done today. It's going to be probably 4 or 5 different sections. So, yeah, very interesting. Okay, I reckon the plan will be to do a big section here and then do the whole bottom lip of that for about 50 mil up by about 1.5 meters. But this section's probably a lot worse than I thought it was going to be. I reckon there's going to be a few more patches in there. There's a little hole here, a little, yeah, we'll see if that fits in the floor pan, but I'm not staying hopeful. I reckon it's going to be a lot more work than I expected. Just took this massive big pile of dirt out of this bottom of the Ute. It's a big hole that goes right down the chassis. But yeah, I guess I'll just put some sealant on that and try to stop it from rusting any further, but I won't be able to take it out because it's too much into the structural. Alright, so I've kind of got the inner sill panel welded up now, so I'm going to start working on this little hole here. And I just found that behind's all rotted out as well, so I'm going to have to do a patch in there as well, so that's going to be Okay, just finished bending up some new parts. Just about getting ready to fit them up and see if they all go back on nicely. So let's get into it. Okay, we're just wrapping up for the day, and yeah, got most of it done. There's a few things that obviously I'm not all too happy with. There's a few spots that are obviously a bit worse than others. But all in all, not a terrible day. The outside's looking relatively good. The nose cone piece is a bit worse for wear, but it was going to take me way too long to make one of them up, so I might just have to put a bit of metal fix in that. But yeah, other than that, quite a successful day. We'll take that. Cheers.